Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to integrate with marketplaces like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop to your EasyStore account. So by syncing your EasyStore with these marketplaces, you can manage orders, inventory, products, and pricing across both platforms seamlessly. So let's get started and walk through the steps to set up this marketplace integration. So once you have logged in, you can head over to channels and connect with your preferred marketplaces. So here we have Shopee Malaysia, we have Lazada, PG Mall, Zalora, and TikTok as well. Today we'll go with more towards the demonstrations on Shopee as it is integrated. So to connect with your marketplaces, so maybe we take the ones that haven't connected, for example, Lazada. So when you click on it, you click enable. You would be prompted to log in into these marketplaces seller account and grant EasyStore permission to sync with your product. So you can insert your credential and follow the prompts. So right after you have successfully integrated these marketplaces into your account, it will have this section appear. So you will see it under accounts. It would be EasyStore. For example, Shopee seller ID. So this means authorized. And for the authorization for Shopee, it has time range. So in between late 7 days to up to 365 days. When you are able to see this part, meaning to say you have successfully integrated. So first thing, once you have connected with your marketplace account, is definitely the product management, right? So it will go to product section. So when it comes to product management, there are two ways to sync your product. So first is, for example, if you are a marketplace seller initially and you would like to import the products that you have on those marketplaces to EasyStore, you can directly import products. So from here, you can decide whether you want to import all or import selected Shopee product or marketplaces products only. So maybe we try with selected products, and these are the least available. So mean to say the products that you see here is actually the products that is available in your marketplaces. On the right hand side, you will see there's three options to select: match product, as a new product, or skip. So skip means this product will not import into EasyStore. As a new product, meaning to say, as I mentioned, if you are initially a marketplace seller, you have product there, but you don't have product in EasyStore, right? If that's the case, I would suggest to go with this as new product. But what is this match product? So match product can be where you already have this product in marketplaces and you already have this product in EasyStore as well. So you want to link the product in EasyStore and the product in marketplaces as a one single product to combine. So for example, match product. So we try to see if there's any 3PK. So don't have, meaning to say you can add as new product. And then let's see if we have scalp and pole. Okay, so we have scalp and pole, so we match it with this product. And then we see if we have body wash. Body wash. Okay, so we match it. And last but not least, we have this scalp home. So these are the three import methods that you can decide. So once all okay, you can click start import. So here we'll have like a summary whether how many product is matched with existing EasyStore product, how many product is added as a new product in EasyStore. So we click confirm. So allow the importing process to run in the background. The second way to sync product is if you already have product in EasyStore, you want to sync to marketplaces. So you can select what are the products that you want to sync to marketplaces, or let's say if you want to sync all, you can just select all. But then maybe we try to go with this one and this one, for example. So then you can go to more actions, publish on Shopee Malaysia, publish on Lazada Malaysia, publish on TikTok Malaysia. Once you have clicked publish, meaning to say this product will sync to these marketplaces. But definitely each of these marketplaces will have their settings and requirements, so kindly ensure that you have gone through the requirements. Like for example, in some situation, the product title has to be more than 20 characters. You will need to fill in the product weight, the height, the length, the width, and the weight unit. So these are some of the little things that you need to take note, because different marketplace platform, they will have different requirements. Going back to the product import, right, earlier on where I import the products from Shopee, means successfully imported. As you can see, the status here is published, and earlier on I do not have this 3PK product in my store, right, which I created new, and it appear in my product management section. So this is the product management part. So right after you have proceeded with the product management, and the reason why we encourage is you can directly just import the products that you have from marketplaces to EasyStore, or let's say if you already have the products in EasyStore, you can directly sync it to marketplaces. You have the flexibility to decide whether which product to be synchronized across marketplaces, because we do understand that maybe some product is you want to make it exclusive on your website, it's not applicable on marketplaces. So this process makes it easy without manually adding the product listing one by one. So when product is added, you must be wondering about the inventory part, right? So for the inventory, this was the product that I imported from Shopee earlier on. From Shopee, we understand that this product we have 564 stock. To say initially from Shopee, import to EasyStore, pink we have 5, green we have 6, and white we have 4. So under this situation, for example, let's say if customer purchase on Shopee for the white, they purchase 2, which system would automatically update it and it will appear as 2. It also involved in some settings, so maybe we will show you on channels. Back in Shopee, go to accounts, pencil icon. So from here you will see some of the settings. Manage Shopee order with EasyStore. So meaning to say, if there is order placed in Shopee, this order would be imported to EasyStore, and then only our system will be able to identify that, okay, this product, this customer purchased 2. So system will automatically capture and deduct the stock automatically. And by this action, you can also update your product information automatically. Once you have ticked it, meaning to say whatever changes that you have made in EasyStore, including product name, images, prices, description, it will be updated automatically across both platforms, meaning to say EasyStore and also the marketplaces. So system would sync and update the inventory levels automatically whenever the order is placed, and whenever you update a new product, it will also sync it to the latest information unless you untick it. So maybe in some situation you would have different pricing for website, different pricing for marketplaces, right? So in that case, I will suggest to untick. And earlier on, I did touch a little bit on order management. So whatever order that has been placed in Shopee would appear. Not just Shopee, it could be other marketplaces like Lazada and TikTok Shop as well. So it will be listed under this. So be it by whatever status is it, in shipment, in delivery, in transit, cancelled, paid. So all of these status would be updated here. So maybe let me try to filter the previous Shopee order that I have. Channel, Shopee Malaysia, show result. Okay, so these are the previously tested order. So the reason why you don't see the logo is because I have cancelled these dummy orders. But then if it's a valid orders, it will show Shopee logo. Okay, so when I click in, you can see it's basically from Shopee. So from here, you must be wondering, if order Shopee comes in, can you directly do fulfillment from here? Yes, you can. So basically, whatever I mentioned earlier on, like the order status, right? So we will capture the payment status and also fulfillment status. So normally when the orders has been paid, it will come import or sync back to EasyStore. It will be under paid status. And for the fulfillment, you can directly do bulk fulfillment through EasyStore admin panel for your marketplace order. So it's not just limited to Shopee. It's applicable for marketplaces like Lazada, TikTok Shop as well. So when you tick on these orders, you can fulfill with marketplaces. And we understand that in marketplaces, they have their own preferred courier, right? So meaning to say, once you fulfill this order in EasyStore, then we will send this system to these marketplaces and they will book shipment for your orders. So once you have fulfilled, you can directly print the airway bill in bulk through EasyStore admin panel as well. So basically making it easier for you to track, to fulfill your orders alongside with other selling platforms. So it's not just limited to marketplaces. It can be your own social media, it can be live selling, it can be your website. Okay, so channels here is depending on the channels that you have integrated, so you can basically filter it out to see which order is not fulfilled. So for example, in some situation, normally businesses will go for tick on the paid orders and pending for delivery. So this is where they know, okay, this order has been paid. What are the orders that I have yet to pick and pack and ready to deliver? So this is the order management part. And for marketplaces like Shopee and Lazada, they do have these tools that will help to boost your customers' trust in buying your product, which is the product review. So this product review is available for Shopee and Lazada. If you're an established seller in Shopee or Lazada having all good reviews in there, don't worry because it can be imported to EasyStore as well. So once you have enabled, we can go to Shopee, products, click on these three dots besides import product, click on product ratings. So once you have turned this option on, the product ratings that is applied, that is available in Shopee or Lazada would be shown on website as well. So maybe let me show you a few of our existing brands that are selling on Shopee and having a website. So maybe let me show you. We remove this. Okay, so first is Ako Design. So they are also selling this item mesh performance cap in their website and also in Shopee. So they import the reviews from Shopee. So from here you can see 5-star rating, 36 units sold. So when you scroll down, you will see these are the Shopee reviews. And another one is selling collagen. They also have shop in Shopee, and here we have up to 87 units sold with 5 ratings as well. So when we scroll down, you can see their Shopee ratings. And last but not least, coffee beans. Okay, 327 units sold with 5-star rating as well. So when you scroll down, you can see the ratings here. So as I mentioned, this product review is available on Shopee and Lazada. So from here, you can see that His Brew is selling on Shopee, Lazada, and on their website as well. So this is reviews from Lazada. And next is mainly for Shopee. So Shopee do have this feature where it allows you to bump your product, basically to improve your Shopee product search ranking temporarily to increase the number of views and potential sales. So it will be under the promotions tab. So this is called product bumping. With this feature, the product will be bumped to the top of its category. Like for example, when you go to Shopee, when you go to home, they will have like top 1, top 2, top 3 products, right? So these are the rankings from product bumping, which it will appear on the latest tab. So by default, you can bump up to 5 products at once, and it will last for 4 hours. Okay, so here we have some information. We will auto bump this product once last bump ended, and if the bumping product is deleted from Shopee, the bumping will be removed also, and you can bump up to 5 products at a time. Okay, and discontinue auto bump will not stop the bump, but it will stop rebumping. So meaning to say, if you're already bumping but you discontinue, it will still run until the bumping ended. Okay, so we add to auto bump. So the current status is pending, so meaning to say it's not bumped yet. So the status will change to bumping, and there will be a countdown timer besides to indicate how many times left, and it will bump automatically lah. So meaning to say you don't have to manually click on it every time if you want to go with the product bumping. But to better understand on each of the bumping status, We will attach a written A to Z guidance in our description below, so do check out on the help guide for more information for the bumping status. These are some of the key tools that you can utilize that can help you to enhance and bring up the entire sales, product, and awareness for your marketplaces together with the orders management, fulfillment, and also payment. So once you have successfully integrated with all of these marketplaces account with EasyStore, these powerful integrations can actually streamline your operations and help you to operate your daily tasks better. And if you have any question or needed assistance when it comes to marketplace integration, please feel free to reach out to EasyStore support, or before that, you can also head over to our help article to know more.